Okay, this is how you remove the tie rod on a 2001 Ford Taurus. You need a pair of wire pliers and 18 millimeter socket like this. First thing you do is you go down here and remove this bolt right here. Before you remove the bolt, remove the cotter pin, then you remove this bolt right here at the bottom. So you remove the bolt. Okay, this one just happens to be stripped out. So after you remove the bolt, the tie rod will come right out, and you remove it from right here. That's the next step. So I take that off. Okay, in order to remove this right here, what you have to do is get some vice grips or either a wrench that'll fit this in right here and fit right here, so you can twist this end off, and this you can remove it from this side. Okay, I got the new one right here, and when you pull it off, you just match it up to make sure it's just like the one that was on there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that one off. Okay, now I've broken this off right here, and this comes off from here, separate from this nut right here that's on the end of the rod right here. So this is the next step right here. This comes off right here, and the new one goes on in the same place. Okay, and I can see that this one's damaged right here. So it took me a while to get that one off, but here's the new one. I'm putting it right next to the old one to try to match it up, and it looks like it's the same part, same size. So should be good. Okay, I got the new one going on. It just screws on just like that. And when I get it on, it'll go right up in here. That'll be the next step. Okay, I got this tie rod on here. So this bolt, this nut right here comes off right here. And this slides down into the hole right here. Just like that. Okay. I gotta put the camera down to put it down in there. Okay, now that I've got this tie rod in the hole right here, what I have in the package, I got a new cotter pin right here, and here's the nut right here, goes on the end, goes right here, right at the bottom, screws on just like that. Okay, it also has a nut that came in the package, and actually will go right here if you need it, but I'm using an old one, so I don't have to use this new one. So this old bolt right here that attaches to the outlet tie rod is good, so I don't need this new one. So I just need to put my tie rod right here on the bottom of this nut right here, and I should be good. Okay, so now I got my tie rod in. I got my nut and my cotter pin in. Got the nut tightened down. And I also have my nut on this side right here that goes into the outer tie rod tightened down. So that's all you have to do to put in a new outer tie rod. It's pretty simple to do.